In early September, we took a drive up to northern Pennsylvania to visit a place that will always be special to us. And along the way, we saw many signs of fall. So we made it to the Airbnb that we're staying at this week, and Seth went out to get some pizza. Should be a good night. We'll see what we end up getting into, but I wanted to show you how great this view is here. And Seth did stay at this place with his dad and his brother in the springtime, so he knew how great it was, but I'm excited. I think the pups are enjoying the view as well. Yeah.
Got a spike buck on the first day of antler season. On the porch is the memory image of the grandfather who passed on. Beneath the rack, which is still there today, hangs a memory image of the drop time buck shot by the grandfather on the day he introduced his son to hunting. Traditions like these give us memories that witness the future. This, man. Make me cry, why don't ya?
Yeah. There's the grandpa. Crying over a picture. No biggie. So cozy. Good night.
Oh, I should have sunk that. Oh! It went in anyway. It bounced off a ball.
We're pros.
I'm getting lucky.
Very best mom. So curious. Why do you need dog toys when you can just play with an acorn?
She's like, oh god, I want to go down. She's like, I want to sneak out.
Is that your gate?
Makeshift gate.
Yes.
But says, how do I break this impenetrable fortress of chairs?
No.
He's like, I was astray in these woods once, I'll be astray again.
Dinner and a view. Have you ever wondered what it's like to have a really needy dog? Because we have one. Yeah, you're making your underwater noises. All because her dad and brother are right there. Are you gonna make it? She's like, I'm going at a different angle.
You wanted no attention from me earlier. All you wanted was your mommy. Now, all you want is the attention from me. What is this? Like, we out.
Mm-hmm.
Time to go north. Which I guess technically the direction they're flying is north right now.
Yeah, good for them.
We're pointing north. Oh, no, they're coming back!
We knew that we wanted to visit a couple of our favorite state parks, and Mount Pisgah was the first one on the list. We took our favorite trail that loops around Stephen Foster Lake and couldn't have asked for better weather. Thick boy.
It might be hard to see. But somebody is getting the drippings from the steak. Hey, Charm. Hi, girls. What are you doing? What you got going on there? You getting some drippings? Good girls. Oh, I ate too much steak. I'll see you later.
A few days later, we were ready for the next hike and drove to World's End State Park. This is another place that is special to us that we visited many years ago, and we went on a little bit of a wild goose chase to find one of our favorite spots. Good boys.
How are you doing, sir? Are you feeling okay?
Hello. All right, she's hiding. Hi, boys. We going home today, boys?
Hi, little dude. Are we dancing? Are we? Hi. Oh. Oh. Hi. Hi. How are we?
Wow, let's get a close up of that. This trip was a great mix of relaxing, getting outside, and spending time with friends. We didn't film a lot, we were in the moment, and we left remembering why we love it so much up